Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to set up CloudFlare for your WordPress website. So the first thing is you go to cloudflare.com and click on sign up. Now you need to make your account here, so I'm just going to quickly do that. On the next step, you're going to have to enter your website domain name. So I'm just going to enter mine. You don't need the HTTPS, you just the domain name, and click on add site. So even with a basic plan, you're much more secure than leaving your website as it is. You can, if you're just beginning, so you can just click on the free one, and then after that you can upgrade whenever you want it. So I'm going to click the free plan and click continue. So now it's going to scan for the existing DNS because we're going to be transferring our name servers as well. So basically we're going to be using Cloudflare's name server and not your web host name server. So once this is done, yeah, that should be good to go, and click continue. Right, so here is the existing name server for me for this website that I'm connecting, and this is the name server I'm supposed to be updating. So I need to replace these with with the new Cloudflares. So let's do that. So my domain is registered with Namecheap. So click on manage. It's going to be similar for yours. If it is GoDaddy, it's the same thing. So you just need to go to the section of updating your DNS and make sure to copy this. And paste. And copy the second one. And paste. And you click save. That's it, we're done. So it could take some time for it to update, but usually it's like less than an hour or something like that, but it totally depends. If I go ahead and click now, sorry, so I think, yeah, so there is a step before we verify. So we click this and click on get started. So I'll just show you the basic settings you should be having, and once you're familiar with the platform, you can change it to however you want it. So I want the HTTPS to rewrite, so yes, and click save. Always use HTTPS, yes. And so this, you need to be pretty careful because it could break your site. But if your website is pretty new and you don't have so much going on, so you can actually begin with clicking all of these and click save. So this is a new feature from Cloudflare. So this is gonna compress your site from a server level, so it's good to turn it on. So you click on and click save. So this is a summary of the settings, and click finish. So here we can click on recheck now to check if the name server has been updated. So let me just go ahead and check. So I think it's going to take some time, so I'm going to pause this recording and come back to it once this is done. Alright guys, so it actually just took me a few minutes to verify the name server. So in this page we're actually done. Now we need to connect to WordPress from here. So for that you need to go back to WordPress, and we're going to be connecting to Cloudflare using the official plugin. So for that, go to plugins and click add new. And once you're here, you can search for Cloudflare. So here, make sure you're downloading the official plugin from Cloudflare. You can actually check that here. It's by Cloudflare. So you click install now. And click on activate. So here, either you can click here to go to settings, or you can go to settings and click on Cloudflare. Right, so from here you need to sign in since we already made an account. So click on sign in here, and here you need to type in the email address that you signed up with Cloudflare. And also you need to make sure you have the API key, and to get the API key we need to go to, you can click here, get your API key. So from here go to the API tokens, and you can click the global API key, click on view, and you'll be prompted to put in your password, so just go ahead and do that. Right, so here is the API key, so just copy this and go back to the dashboard and click paste and click on save. And here are your settings. So here you have these apply recommended Cloudflare settings, so just click on apply. So this is going to have a recommended settings from Cloudflare, and it's always good to just go with the basic one first if you're beginning especially. So after that you can also check in the settings tab here, and this used to be free but now it's not, but it's still good. Even the basic free plan is still something good. So the security level you can make it high, and yeah, that's about it. Here you can check in the analytics tab. Once your website starts receiving hits, you'll see like the amount of like bandwidth saved, the unique visitors, the threats, and all of that. So for now I think that's about it. So in the future I'll show you how to speed up your site and configure CDN and all of that. So thank you for watching.